Swish, swish! Let's paint a wish! Aha!
Fun with found objects.
Swish, swish! Let's paint a wish! I'm so excited to open up this new sketchbook! Huh? Maddie! 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 Someone left a mountain of trash in the studio! Maddie!
No, Saira. I put this stuff out here.
What?
Yes, we are going to find treasure out of this trash.
Huh? Oh.
Hey, little creators, you heard me right. Treasure in the trash. Don't believe me? Let's see.
Huh? These are broken marble bottle caps. Ah.
Hi, Miss Maddie.
Huh?
Hi, Rishi. Hi, Shikha.
Ooh, what are all these?
They're just a few objects that I found around the house that we normally throw in the trash.
What will we do with these things?
Pick up a few things. Paint, draw, stick, tie them together. Anything that comes to your mind.
Oh, did I just hear paint? Huh?
Hello, Miss Maddie.
Hi, Tara. Why do you look so dull?
My brother pulled off the hair of my favorite doll.
Oh no.
Mom thinks I should throw it away, but I don't want to.
Let's see how we can fix this. Maybe we can find something over here.
Yay! My doll looks all brand new again. Thank you, Miss Maddie.
You're welcome. Let's see what you guys made. What did you make, Shikha?
A princess castle.
Oh, wow. That's lovely. What about you, Tara?
I made a sunny piggy bank.
That's so cute. It does have a sun shining here. What about you, Saira?
This is my collage bottle.
Oh, wow. And you?
It's a rainbow caterpillar.
That's so cool.
Old to new, small to tall. Art can come from anything at all. Huh?
We actually made art from trash.
Yes! Bottle and box, paper and string. You can turn them into anything. Look around. What do you see? Art is full of mystery.
Have a box like this at your home. Somewhere you can keep all the things that you find interesting. It could be empty cartons, bottles, buttons, even empty plastic lids.
I have lot of boxes at my home. I'll make a toy train. I will make a flower pot from plastic water bottles.
That's good. When we reuse things, we help our planet. We make less waste and add a little more wonder to the world. So what did we learn today?
I learned that we can make art from old things even though we think we don't need them.
Exactly.
And that treasure isn't always shiny. We just have to be creative.
Little creators at home, the next time you see a box, bottle or something that you think you might throw away, pause for a moment and think, what could this become? Because every little thing has a story waiting inside it.
Don't throw it. Show it. Give it one more try. Turn your trash to treasure and let your art fly high.
Seasonal feel.
Hello little creators. Let's see what art we can create for each of our seasons today.
Seasons? Like summer has yellow ice cream and monsoon is wet blue rain?
Exactly. Every season has its own colors, feelings, shapes and sounds. And today, we'll learn how to show them in new techniques.
I don't like these sounds or this feeling.
It's okay, Saira. It's just a little bit of lightning that happens during monsoons.
Hi, Miss Maddie. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Dave.
I'm little bit wet.
Oh no, how's it out there?
It's grey, some wet, and little bit noisy.
More like very noisy.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Miss Maddie.
How is it outside?
It's shiny and everything is blue. I'm just waiting for the rainbow to come out. What is all this?
I'm creating art that reminds us of our seasons. You can help me too.
Yes.
So today, we are going to make some marble art. Take few marbles and dip it in the paint and roll it over the canvas, okay?
I can sense that some magic is about to happen.
You wanna roll it this time?
Yes.
Oh.
So what does this remind you of?
Raindrops and splashes.
Muddy puddles. That looks just like how it is outside.
Yeah,
Can I add these chips? They look like lightning.
definitely. Go on, add them. You can add more. Oh. So what does summer remind you of?
The sun looks like a big yellow pancake. It's so hot. Sometimes it feels prickly.
Summer feels warm like me and sharp like my stripes.
That's right, Saira. Come, let's take up all these little paper chips and stick it on this paper, okay?
Here, can I have some glue, Emily?
Yes.
Thank you. More yellows for me, please.
Can we add a ice cream?
Sure, Emily. Winter brings snowflakes. Each one is different. Fold. Fold. Okay. Cut. Cut. Open.
Wow!
Surprise!
It's like opening a secret door.
Yes. Do you guys want to try it yourselves?
Yes. I'm so cold. My tail is turning into a snowflake.
I'm making a beautiful meadow over here.
Spring means flowers everywhere.
That's right. I'll show you how to do those flowers, okay? We're gonna use a Q-tip, okay? Dot, 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 dot. Blooming blossoms. Come on, each of you take a Q-tip and start making flowers. And with this straw, we're gonna make some stems. And with this, we are going to use some green color. And make some stems.
It's like the garden is popping popcorn flowers.
I like jasmine flowers.
All right.
Wow! So that's what it looks like when the whole year comes together.
Yes, all the seasons put together. That's what we learned today.
All the seasons have different colors and shapes and moods.
Yes,
Swish, swish! Seasons wish! Paint a world of color mix!
little creators at home, try these new techniques and explore your seasonal feelings.
Summer craft, monsoon splash, spring dots that bounce and dash, winter cuts that twirl and glow, seasons make the colors show. Oh,
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 it's
just when I
okay.
thought it was over.
Picture books.
Miss Maddie, this book has very few words. How can I read the story?
Maybe there are a few words, but there are a lot more pictures too over here.
Pictures tell story too.
Yes, every picture tells a story. Let's take a look.
Huh?
What do you think is happening over here?
He's twisting a clock.
Ah.
Yeah. And what do you think is happening here?
He's eating a 10 bread sandwich.
Yeah.
And here the dog is trying not to get wet.
Maybe. Let's take another book.
Huh?
Whoa, look at this.
Oh my god, it's a dragon.
It's a dragon. Look.
The dragon just took a shower.
Yeah.
Coloring.
A picture can whisper, a picture can shout. Look at the pictures, they'll tell you what it's about. I don't need words. I can read the pictures.
Wow! Pictures tell so much from just looking at them.
Yes, pictures too tell a lot about the story. But words too have a special place.
Wow! I wanna read this book. I wonder what the elephant does.
Gajapati! Kulapati! Whee!
Look at this word.
Queen!
Buddha boom, pida boom, bada boom! Huh? Ah! Ooh!
You guys want to tell a story through pictures?
Yes!
You can tell from your imagination or from your real life.
Huh? Mine will be called The Tiger Who Ate Too Many Mangoes.
Mine would be called My Trip to Grandma's House.
What about you, Emily?
Mine will be a cat that thinks it's a lion.
Cute. Little creators out there, grab a pencil and paper and start telling your stories too. Is that your grandma's house?
Yes!
Lovely. What are you doing, Emily? Oh, that's so pretty. What about you, Saira?
Mangoes.
Oh, lovely yellow mangoes. Just remember, your stories have a beginning, middle, and end.
A beginning so bright, a middle full of fun, an ending that smiles, and your story's done. Oh no! My tiger has eaten too many mangoes now. He's round like a balloon now.
Done.
I can't wait to see all your picture stories. Who's gonna go first?
Me.
Okay, Emily.
This is me and my cat. My cat thinks she's a lion, being like a lion and a cub. This is me and my lion cat cuddling.
Wow! My tiger loves mangoes more than anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah. One day, he finds a tree full of mangoes. He starts eating. One, then another, and then more. Now, my tiger has eaten so many mangoes that he is round like a balloon. He's so round that he wobbles and rolls on the ground. Now, my tiger promises never to eat that many mangoes ever again.
Now you through.
The journey begins. Big grandma hug. Me and grandma making round laddus together. Now I'm watering all the plants in grandma's beautiful garden.
Now, it's sadly time to say goodbye to Grandma. Until next time.
There are so many kinds of stories, and every drawing tells one.
Ooh, what is that box?
Ooh, what is
Ooh,
that
wow.
box?
Look, our library just got bigger.
Huh?
Maybe next week someone else can read your story.
Next time, I will make the adventures of Super Saira.
Hey, little creators. So many more books to see and so many more stories to tell. Keep telling your stories, either through words or through pictures.
So many colors, so many ideas. Now I want to see yours. Share your artwork with us on Instagram or our email below. Hit subscribe, like, and swish, swish.